With a transformer rating of 100 kVA, the industrial transformer features a primary voltage of single-phase 34500 Y and 19920 grounded Wye, and a secondary voltage of single-phase 240 and 120 volt. The unit has a primary radial feed and dead front primary connections. This transformer features a 5-position tap changer which allows for small changes in voltage. This transformer includes liquid level, temperature, and pressure and vacuum gauges. Equipped with copper windings, this transformer consists of 1 coil and 2 core loops. This pad mount transformer features primary well bushings and standard spade connectors on the secondary side. This transformer features an automatic action fault pressure device. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.